Part-time jobs for retirees. Not everyone who reaches retirement age wants to give up working, either through necessity or just to stop them from being bored. Many want to work at least part-time in retirement, and there are a variety of jobs that are available to support them. In this two-part video series, we've broken it down into part 1, jobs you can do remotely, either at home or if you are travelling anywhere in the world, and part 2, jobs you'll need to go out and do around where you live. So let's take a look at jobs you can do from anywhere. Bookkeeper. Bookkeepers can work from home to reconcile accounts, collect past due accounts, process payrolls, enter journal entries and more. Career coach. Use your experience in this remote job to work as a career coach. Coaches typically meet one-on-one with clients to provide career advice, interview tips and review resumes, but nowadays this can be done via Zoom, Skype or any other video-based platform. Consultant. Another way to use your career expertise is by working as a consultant. Consultants work with companies to help them identify and solve problems and come up with new solutions or workflows. You'll be bringing your years of experience into a new environment and helping a company work better and smarter. Customer service representative. Customer service reps can work from home to answer calls and respond to emails. Helping customers with troubleshooting and answering questions are common tasks for this role, which is a common remote job for retirees. Data entry specialist. Remote data entry jobs involve entering and updating data into a computer system. You'll need to be tech savvy and you may need to know how to use a 10-key number pad. Editor. Editing jobs can be a perfect role to do remotely. Editors will look over content, whether online or in print, and to make corrections relative to grammar, style, punctuation and clarity. HR coordinator. Sourcing candidates, assessing potential candidates, screening resumes, conducting phone interviews and performing background checks are just a few of the duties of a HR coordinator. Legal assistant. Legal assistants typically handle the administration needs of a law office and respond to clients' communications by email, phone and text. If you have a background in this field, then picking up part-time remote work should be a doddle. Marketing coordinator. Marketing coordinators usually develop and implement marketing campaigns, track data, maintain databases, handle social media and more. If you're not competent with all these aspects of these fields, you can still offer your expertise in marketing companies, etc. Online English teacher. An online English teacher will teach English classes for children and adults who are located in another country. Classes can be taught via video, telephone or an online learning platform. Resume writer. Resume writers will rewrite and edit clients' resumes and consult with clients using phone and email. A strong understanding of various industries and job functions is usually needed to do this job. Transcriber. Transcription jobs involve transcribing speech or recording into text. Attention to detail is needed and you may need to meet a words per minute typing requirement. Travel agent. Travel agents book and arrange flights, hotels, transportation for individuals and businesses. You'll need to be tech savvy in order to learn online booking platforms. There are now loads of online travel agents that use freelance people who earn commission for any bookings they get. We hope you enjoyed this two-part series on jobs for retirees and it's given you some idea what you could do once you've given up your old job and you want to slow down. If you have any other ideas, please leave a comment below. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.